The following is intended only for mature audiences. Nope, it's intended for 8th graders and old bodies, cousin.
Hello, cousin. You know, sometimes you just need to be able to split things into smaller pieces so you can bury them in the backyard. I'm just kidding, cousin. I'm just kidding. Hello, cousin. I am Uncle Mike, your favorite YouTuber's favorite uncle. And this is year 3, week 16 of my YouTube channel. And go click that like button and give this video a thumbs up. But let's laugh and learn about simple machines, specifically one of my favorites, the wedge. Now, how the wedge works is it gives you a mechanical advantage. An input force is driven right here, which is converted then into outward forces here. And this has got a pretty good mechanical advantage. As I drive this down, the force that I exert here on this one is good, probably 5 times the sideward force because of its length. So that is amazing, and I like the wedge kind of for its destructive capabilities here in terms of splitting wood. So I'm gonna get my safety glasses on. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the maul. We are gonna strike this and split this here today. But yeah, simple machines, the wedge. All right, cousin, well, as you can see, using just the straight wedge, it's a powerful, simple machine. It's amazing. Its mechanical advantage, which is the ratio of its length to width. This one is, I could measure it, but just by looking, it looks to be maybe about 5-to-1, meaning the force exerted outward is 5 times greater than the force that I apply right here when I strike it. But as you can see, actually aiming and being good and actually striking the top of the wedge is the hard part, and actually it's also a safety. So what we can also then do, instead of using that, is use a splitting maul. Also, there's hatchets and axes, knives, and other wedges out there, but the splitting maul has a built-in wedge, and it's much safer. It's much easier to control because you're not trying to strike something small. So let's split some stuff.
Loser.
Okay, cousin, let's go ahead and split what I know you've been waiting all video to see split. So let's use the simple machine, the wedge, and let's split this big femur bone. Oh shit. Of course it did break it here. The impact, that's actually That was cool. All right, cousin. Well, that was amazing. So I'm gonna split it again. Amazing. So, cousin, science is amazing. Even the simple machines like the wedge. Of course, there's wedges all over the place in our lives. There are wedges on scissors, on knives, axes, hatchets, tomahawks, a doorstop. A nail is a wedge. So wedges are everywhere and simple machines. And we will continue to explore simple machines, and using the splitter maul to split this huge femur was amazing. So speaking of amazing, cousin, thumbs up because you are amazing. I'm your favorite YouTuber's favorite uncle. I am Uncle Mike Mike.
Derp, derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derp